Hi everyone, this is Shai with you from VTrender, and I'm here in the first of a series to talk to you about market profile and how information from a market profile chart can help you to develop into a better trader. Now, a lot of traders, when they first come to the market, the most obvious thing they do for charting is to pick up a candlestick chart, and that supplies us with a lot of great information to trade out of. But if you're looking to do a little bit more with the information which is available in the marketplace, if you're looking to find a bigger edge for yourself, if you want to look beyond the information a candlestick chart gives you, then we highly recommend you look at something which is in the shape of a market profile chart. Now, there is a number of things which the market profile can do, which is added to the information which you can already get from a candlestick chart. Now, a lot of people tend to look at a market profile chart and tend to look at the same information which you get from a candlestick chart, which is the open, the high, the low, and the close. The market profile is not used to plotting the highs and lows and high low divided by 2, or the half back or pull back of a bar, etc., etc. That can be easily picked up from a candlestick chart. But the purpose of the market profile chart is to find out what price, time, and volume are doing relative to each other. So there is a small introduction which we've done on the essence of a market profile chart, and you can find it at this link at VTrender. Just Google VTrender, what is the market profile, and you'll come to this page where we talk about certain concepts which are used in a market profile chart. So you'll come across words like value, auction, buying tails, selling tails, point of control, developing point of control, poor lows, poor highs. These are all essential in the study of market profile, and you can get them all at this one site, what is the market profile. But the bigger question a lot of people have is where do I find market profile charts? Where can we find market profile charts to look at, so that we can arrive at some trading ideas or trading strategies to make out of these charts. Now, it's been my personal belief that charts which we tend to employ for our trading requirements should be available freely and publicly to everyone. And with that in mind, we have a section on our website, vtrender.com. If you just go in over here and click the market profile chart section, then you would have these wonderful charts open for you. Now, if you're here on the site first time, if you're here on the site for the first time, then you'll have to do a one-time quick registration to get yourself these wonderful charts for yourself. So there you are. You go to vtrender.com and you click on this link, market profile charts, and when it opens, it will ask you to do a one-time registration. Just do that one-time registration, and you would be ready to have these charts all to yourself. Now, I've already done that, and I use these charts every day, so you can see me logged in and everything. So this is where you will get to this section where we have these charts for yourself, and you get to trade a number of instruments over here. So when we say Nifty, if you just click on this drop down, you will get all the instruments which are available for you to make trading decisions out of. So if you click on Nifty, it's actually the Nifty futures, the current month futures. Then you have spot, the TPO based spots and the volume based spots, and I'll explain to them in a series of videos what would be the difference. You get the bank Nifty, then you get a lot of stocks. Otherwise also you get a lot of options. All these options over here, and these are all based on the market profile. So you get this bank Nifty and you get these Nifty options, and you get some stocks as well. All of your favorite trading instruments are already located over here: Zeal, Tata Steel, Tata Motors, TCS, all these ones okay which are traded kind of heavily: Sun, SBI, Reliance, Kotak, Infi, Hindalco, Britannia, BEL, all the ones okay which get the volume every day, they are listed over here. And you can just click on this drop down and you would have access to all of those. Now you can clock now you can chart these profile charts in various time frames: daily, weekly, monthly, series and all, as well as okay you can choose the date okay you want to look at these charts at. So by default okay you will always get 9 profiles on your screen, but you can go as much back as about 2014 I believe, okay, and you can get all the charts you want to. There is a TPO size setting okay which you need to do to make sure okay that you are picking up the right information from these charts. And the TPO size is nothing but the time price opportunity. And the best way okay we go about picking up the time price opportunity is to arrive at a formula where we give in a TPO size of 1, which is the number 1 for every 10,000 price of the instrument. So if an instrument is trading at about 10,000, your TPO size okay would be 1, okay, or a multiple of it can double up okay to 2 and a multiple okay of that 2, but that is the default setting okay you need to do. So something like a Nifty future which is trading around 10,000, the right TPO size would be 1. Something like a Reliance okay which is trading around 1000, okay, the right TPO size okay for that okay would be 0.1. Something like a Bank Nifty, the TPO size okay would be about 2, which is about 20,000. Something like a USD INR future which is under 100 would be 0.01. So accordingly okay you decide. So the formula over there is if the instrument is around 10,000, the TPO size would be 1. Sometimes okay just to ensure okay that you have the proper display, you can okay increase the TPO size okay by 1, but bear in mind okay it will hit the accuracy a small bit, but 1 is okay negligible okay considering the high volatile range okay the Nifty has been in. So we generally okay tend to have a default TPO size of 2 okay for the Nifty. You can use this zoom slider to go in and out okay of the section and have a look okay at what this thing can do. Okay, so this is the Nifty futures. You'll have all the charts okay over here okay for you to go out of. And if you want to look at the information okay which is there for that day, then you head down and you look at this section down here, which will give you the VWAP, the VPOC, the value area high, the value area low, and all those things okay for you okay to trade out of. So this basically okay is intended okay to solve okay that query which you have about where do I get access to a market profile chart. So it is right here okay in the market profile section, chart section, and I just want you to open up this section and have a look okay at these charts and play around okay with them, and you would okay get to know a bit more by just playing okay around okay with these instruments. If you need okay more information about how to apply the information given in these charts, then we suggest okay the forum section, where every day okay we format okay a report for you. There is an analysis okay report which is uploaded every day at in the evening, which tells you everything okay about what happened okay that day, what kind of a day open it was, etc, 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 as well as okay what to expect okay for the day to come. You also have on the right hand side of the forum, and after you open up a link, you'll have okay some access okay to a lot of studies and a lot of links okay and a lot of educational material which we've already done on the market profile, and designed okay to help you get started in this wonderful study okay continuously. Okay, so that's it from me for this video. In the video to come, I will be speaking to you about how best to understand a market profile chart and what is the information you need to pick up from that chart. For now, I would again ask of you to click OK onto the market profile chart section, familiarize yourself okay with what the chart is, and then okay we will look at implementing the information which this chart gives us. Okay, that's it for me for now. I will check with you again in the next video. Thank you for listening in.